Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sonu Model Makers Noida, India. Today I am showing you very interesting model of hut. Friends, this is a semi-professional hut. This hut is meant for some company, so that's why it is. This is not a student level work. Uh, this thing is spray paint. This door can is have springs and open close type. This is the inside of the hut. These windows are made up of soft board, 3 mm soft board. This is the whole item is made up of 3 mm soft board, and the color ratio is the yellow color mixed with white. That is 2 part of white and 1 part of yellow will give you this color. This green color is made up of plaster of Paris mixed with green color. Friends, this is very easy to make model, but if you have little bit skills of cutting, if you know how to cut the semi woods like foam board, soft boards, 3 mm soft board, then you can make this model very easily. I need to put screw, but presently this is a little bit under construction stage. You see there are X type projections. These are X type woods are meant, I have put them for solidity. Now I am showing you the downside of this model. These things also I use to make the model solid. I need to put something in this to these nails so that you cannot hurt. It cannot hurt your fingers. Okay, we need to put some adhesive on this area. This model is 98% completed. Friends, if you have any question, any query how to make these type of models, please write down in the comment box. And if you think this video series and my channel is giving you good idea, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you friends, have a nice day.